Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. It's another one of my Boxycharm videos. I love these videos. They're some of my favorite to film just because I get to like play with makeup that I don't really get to do very often. I don't really wear makeup on a daily basis because of my job. It's just I work at an aquarium. I'm not going to go all out with makeup. This month's theme is Wildflower. It looks like this. It's a little tri-fold thing again. There are a couple little codes on the back. If you want 30% off of Laura Gueller, you can use Boxy. It does expire on the 15th, so hopefully this video is out before the 15th. And that's kind of it. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, if you want to see me play with makeup, if you want to see how I feel about this box, just follow along. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done, I have my eyes primed, all ready to go, because the first product is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smokey eyeshadow palette. It originally goes for $35. It says that it's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. I have not heard the best reviews about this, so this is the palette. The packaging is really cute. It's really cute. It looks like a little bird cage. The shades are really pretty. It is pretty smoky. So let's see. I'm gonna swatch a few of these. They look pretty good. The shimmer shades look pretty nice. I tried swatching the white shade and it didn't show up at all. And the black looks just okay. Okay, so let's see how they work on the eyes. I'm gonna start out with a flat shader brush and this nocturnal shade right here. And just see how that sets my primer. It's kind of chalky, and I feel like it's not really doing anything. I feel like it's more of like a translucent color. It's setting my primer, but it's not really giving any color, and I like to really blank out my eyes when I use a primer. Next I'm going to go in with a crease shade. I'm going to try and use this hide and seek shade right here with a fluffy brush. It's really powdery. Let's see if it's pigmented. It's somewhat pigmented. Really powdery, like there's a lot of kickback. I don't know if it's... Can you even see it on camera? And I'm like really digging into this color, trying to get a lot of pigment. It's not doing a whole lot. I'm not going to do a crazy eyeshadow look today because I'm actually going to the DMV to get a new license. I'm supposed to do a long time ago, but this wasn't the time. I feel like this crease shade isn't the best. Then I'm going to go into the shade Swoop and try and darken that outer corner. Oh goodness gracious, fuck. Okay, that has pigment. That's pretty. That one has pigment. Yay! I personally prefer cool shades. I know a lot of people are really upset that we got a cool shaded palette, but I prefer cool shades in my eyes. I think it's because I have a cooler color of my eyes. I don't know. I like cooler tones on my eyeballs. And then I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to go into this clutch shade right here and tap that all over my lid. That's pretty. It's not the best. Like, I think my Chocolate Bar palette is definitely going to be my go-to for my nudes, rather than this. I don't know why my eyes look so uneven in camera right now. Yeah, it's not, I feel like it's not really transferring from my finger onto my lid. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of this Break Free shade, which I think is a shimmer. Just tap that into the center. I'm going to swatch a couple more of these shades that I didn't before. I'm going to try this one and this one, because they look really dark. Again, the shimmer shade's really nice, but the matte is just really chalky and doesn't show up a whole lot. I'm not too happy with it. It's not my favorite. Oh, hello there, Pooh. My dog's sitting right behind my chair. Alright, I guess that's it for that part of my eyes. I'm gonna say a no on this. And normally I'm like really lenient on eyeshadows, but I feel like this just didn't show up on my eyes. The next product is actually an eyeliner. So this is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner, and this originally goes for $19, which is a lot for a liquid liner. It says, create precise ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner tool. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick-drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. So it sounds like the formula is really good, but I'm just not, this is super, like, gimmicky to me, like, these things, like, cause look, it's like a circle. First of all, I feel like there's, like, nothing on it. It's just, it looks super liquidy. Look, it's like a roller thing. I don't know. I'm afraid to actually use this because this makes me super duper nervous. But I'm gonna try. Ew. This just feels weird on my eye. I feel like I need to like pull my eye out. I feel like it's almost like too straight, and I also feel like it's really liquidy. It's not super pigmented. Am I like not shaking it enough? It's not, it's like too straight. Like I can't, like look at this, my wing is pointed down. Yeah, no. I can't get it to fill in where I want it to. It looks stupid, like my wing is pointed down. I don't even have anything up here to clean myself off with. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna just do my eyeliner with my normal NYX eyeliner. I don't know how to work this. I think I'm gonna have to play with it more. But just like the consistency isn't good. I don't know, I'll be back. Okay, so eyeliner's done. I don't like that roller. I don't like it, and I realized that I have brushes. They gave me brushes. I'm super out of it, guys. Since I evacuated, I've been home for like 4 days, and then I had a wedding, and now here I am back, and my boyfriend was visiting, and just, I'm so out of it, and I but I also got the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, and I like that because Ojitos means little eyes. I like that. They originally go for $18, and it comes with 3. It says made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies colors onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application for your lash line. So I actually took off a little bit of color on this side as I was taking off that awful eyeliner. So I'm actually going to try using these, and then I'll also use them when I'm doing like under my eyes, if that makes sense. They're really, really soft. And I like that these ones are stiff enough that they're actually gonna do the color. This is really, really soft. I'm a little bit nervous that it might be too soft, that it might not. It's like, makes me a little nervous, but I'll try it. I'm just gonna dip into that same swoop color right here. It is soft. I don't like this eyeshadow palette. It's just not pigmented. Like, I am not a natural makeup person, obviously, if you see these wings. I'm not a natural makeup person. If I'm gonna go for like natural makeup, I'm not gonna put anything on. Like, I'll just do my eyebrows and mascara, and that's it. That's my like natural, but even that doesn't look super natural. Like, I like the way I look without makeup, so if I'm not gonna wear makeup, or if I'm gonna try to not wear makeup, I'm just not gonna wear it. Does that make any sense at all? I don't know. I'm totally out of it. The fluffy brush is nice. I think it might be a little bit too soft, but I'm not a brush connoisseur. Like, I don't know what's good and bad for brushes, but yeah. The next product is for my cheeks, so I'm actually just gonna do my face makeup, bronzer, everything, and I will be right back. I'm gonna use this like flat shader brush to do underneath my eyes, and I'm just gonna use that swoop shade. Holy goodness, it's so powdery. Just use that under my eyes. So I'm not going to DMV anymore. Basically, I found out that it's not completely open just yet after the hurricane, so I am going to be waiting until next week. So instead, my roommate and I are going to be going to the mall. She's going to get her ear pierced, and I'm going to go with her. Shout out to Caro Pal. The brush is pretty good. I feel like this is pulling things together a little bit better. Okay, and then next is another Boxycharm item. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. It originally goes for $28, and it says, add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand-finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. So that's pretty cool. I like the way this sounds. It is really pretty. Looks like this. It's really pretty looking. I don't really wear blush, and you guys know that. So I'm unsure how much I'm actually going to use this. It's in the shade Tropic Hues, a Luxie Beauty. This is actually a Precision foundation brush, but I use it for blush because I don't use brushes for foundation. Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so much powder going everywhere. Okay. But it's not super pigmented. Okay. I like it when blushes aren't super pigmented because then I don't just like explode all over my face. Do I put highlighter on if I'm using a glowing blush? I feel like I'm like super washed out in camera right now. Too much. Too much! This is really pretty. Gives a nice glow to the face. I just don't know if I'll wear it. I don't wear blushes. Boxycharm, stop sending me blushes. Send me like contour or something instead, please. So I am gonna highlight still. I'm going to use my Ride or Die Mary Loumanizer. Yes. And then I'm just going to set my face. Do a quick coat of mascara. I'm not doing falsies today. And then last but not least, I have a lip product. So this is the Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. It originally goes for $17. It says, have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented long-wearing liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. Never. That's big talk. I like the packaging. I like that it looks like a regular lipstick, but it's a liquid lipstick. This is the shade Petal Pusher. Nice deep nude. Oh, it does smell like frosting. I feel like this is a really big doe foot. I mean, I have pretty big lips, but like, wow. Okay. Oh my god, this is so flexible. The color's pretty. I feel like the top is too thick to do precise lines. It said that this is matte, but it's not. I don't know. It feels more like creamy. Unless it dries down. I don't know. Well, this is the final look. I think I did the best that I could with it. Hair looked gross, I apologize. Makes my teeth look really white. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me go through and say what I liked and what I didn't. Pretty Vulgar palette. Did not like that. The Laura Geller blush. It's pretty. I just probably won't really use it unless I'm filming. I never wear blush. The Alamar Cosmetics brushes I will definitely use again. I can always use brushes because I hate washing brushes, so I love getting brushes. The Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. It does look matte. It doesn't feel super matte, but I like it. I'm probably going to wear it. It's a very fall color, so I'll probably wear this more. And then the Butter London liquid liner, I definitely do not like. So that's like a 2 out of 5. I'm really not impressed by this box. I know a lot of my friends aren't impressed by this box. I actually know of 2 people who have unsubscribed because of this box. Because the last one they didn't think was that great either, which it wasn't the best. But yeah, sorry that this video is going up so late. It's been a crazy month for me. I didn't even get this box until like September 25th. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any suggestions of what else you want me to do, leave a comment down below. And if you like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.